Hey, what's good? It's your boy Riccomentals, and today I'm finna show you how I mixed and mastered Don't Cross the Line remix. First, let me play the whole. In the intro.
Yeah, don't cross the line.
It's in them bomb.
Mthimbani-Don't, Maseven. You know, Riccoboy came mad. Yo, I'm a Tsonga rap ignition. This game set a restriction. Inga do me loko men ngari kona ntla degree distinction. I'm a #1 operator. Marongani pita moderator. Loko kanga tsiko kuna sala ntseko uta onakela alternator. Inga pfuku yibe kona competition because I'm better than you, bro. And I futa even chumula ka mina ntibe everything you know. Been there, done that. And I stuva kwa run that. Took a bring it on, I'ma crush that. Talk about business. Better know, but I don't quit and I don't lose. Let it kind of bazooka when I pull a trigger, man, I don't choose. Kill them all, no but the salad to funeral. Like a Tsonga rap, man, bang a vitamin and a mineral.
So far, soon intro lila. Mthimbani-Don't came either.
Yeah, don't cross the line.
Which is low, volume, tone 21, yeah. Like angomale, I didn't really do a lot, you know. I just removed the low frequencies, which bass. I always say it on all my videos, don't can mix or on master or something. The low frequency bass, and then the high frequency tweet go. So I just remove, and then in Kelanisa tweet the layer because the mic we was using was not good, so we had to compromise. And then the other thing, Telantan EQ Nagambe, yeah, FL Studio. And so bass more, because you know everything was like so bassy, so we had to get rid of the bass. And then obvious, you have to put reverb. You know, I like to put my low cut Ashkari, na high cut Ashkari, bass I mean Sangwai, and then like a decay time. Ni susa ni I mean ni vega the 3.0 seconds. For like the backup, the chorus in back on the like a 6, yeah, na like a 6.0, and then la 50%, 100%, wet 50, early reflection 50%, something not dry, it's 100%. And there's an fruity limit. Amarana it erase no there's a compressor straight. So I won't cover this because you know like most of these things listen anensa soul and produce so and approach is on. So you know this was my old method of like producing. I changed though. And there's an sound good dies because I chela like energy like a volume. I can in vocal energy, but then as you know, you like grow, you realize good these things were mistakes, but then during that time there was working, but then there were mistakes, so I had to get rid of it. You know what I'm saying? Now I don't use it anymore because I feel like each the high frequencies blindly and like not essays like so I had to get rid of that also. The other thing I used to use this fruity chorus thing. The other thing is stereo, you know what I'm saying? Like she and like tanga left and right. So anish faka I got 10%. Since it's like the vocaleta, I think I have no power. So faka I got 10%. Kuri ndabe ngwane itlanga 10% ya volume le ka Tsonga, and then I tell you kutlanga main vocal. Kuri everything start on a power. Kuri like beat laying overpowering the vocal, you know what I'm saying? So now I also used to use Speedfish just to remove the high frequencies because when a mic lay you go chip in a problem at the high frequencies, the S. So I had to also get rid of that, you know what I'm saying? So I used to use Speedfish. I come here and I got hi-hat, less sizzle, you know what I'm saying? Because it's sizzling sound. Ni faga around la, but then it depends. Like it depends on the beat, on the vocal, on the scale of the song. It depends on many factors. Where when you say you adjust until you get it right. So lan can get the bass nyana kansong, or like can get the bass nyana kansong. Nisa this middle part and like kansong na like high frequency nisa kansong or vocal yung ngaveti to la kala somehow. So the vocality thing I got 21. I think what was that? Intro, yeah, intro. So now we are got 22 langana main vocal. Yeah, I got 22 langana main vocal. One and it langana cam. Put them on langa young one since langana gayang since le niklangi.
Like a Tsonga rap minute bang a vitamin at a minute.
My respect is a secret that I show it to anybody that want to devour me. Wanna send you color like Kanye. My hands are tight, niggas keep it.
So I just realized Yani Gayang it's on 26, so now I have to break down 22 first. So it means that I am Timban.
Yo, I'm a Tsonga rap ignition. This game set a restriction. Inga do me loco men and got until I degree distinction. I'm a number one operator. Marongani pita moderator. Logo tanga tiku kuna salan zeko uta ona kela alternator. Inga fuku yipe kono competition because I'm better than you, bro. And I foot up even chumu like mina tibe everything you know. Been there, done that. And I stupid quiet run there. Took a bring it on, I'ma crush that. Talk about Pisman, fuck that. Motherfuckers better know, but I don't quit and I don't lose. Let it in the bazooka when I pull a trigger, man, I don't choose. Kill them all, but the salad to funeral. Like a Tsonga rap minute, bang a vitamin at a mineral.
My respect is a.
So Ilya, now let's go to 22. Let me mute the beat. So like the EQ and gay breakdown because it's the same thing. Let me see what's the difference here. Oh, the difference is the reverb. Ilega la Deconstructed 3.0. The only difference is la volume. La ilega 20%. Since low when a verse don't put too much reverb. Or I personally don't like to put too much reverb. I like to put it around 20%. So like the vocal artist twakala, I don't know. But then this is basically the same thing. There was just like a few differences. Now let's go and check mixer 26.
My respect is a secret that I show it to anybody that want to devour me. Wanna send you color like Kanye. My hands are tight, niggas keep it and take shit. I brought them up but grateful and walking dead beats. Like I will know, I don't want any second fucking fools. Nicht fangen for broken souls. Nicht gesagt ein Kompass goes. Ha, men up on the frame of klump cash follow straight and close. Cantos, tau kendalang goes. Yo careo tai entalang goes. My air is toxic, love for food. Look me tam to angaren tam siga look now, je check us up back to first. Varba kompe brain but so like what siga tai cobra. Left I from some elements like a prison dungeon. Plans like a bill, I got a prison. I'm prison. This nigga's a stick.
Now let's end there. Mixer 26. I think it's the same thing. They were just like vocalist since like Toma Akamaka Kambana. So you got like Antflela mixara. Nichincha song of songs could like it talk like fananyana because they were way too different, these vocals. And I'm saying when I learn one like a low frequency and say and then like the middle part the midi or you know what I'm saying. So now let's just do the hook and then wrap up this video.
Maseven, you know, Riccoboy came mad.
So Leah hook aguri intro hook I think tambana yana kan song. Let me play this one. Let me just play the whole song. I'll get demonetized. So I'm not going to play the whole song. If you wanna play the whole song, I will link the song on the comment section.
Wide, motivated by streets. I put my heart in the beat and never toast cause we eat. And now we having the feast.
So yeah guys, that's it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And this is
Mustn't have running over friends and making all of the plans. Young, double bad, will take a minute to flat. Everything black, we only feeling the trash. Don't be overwhelmed, mama dug it to attach. I know you got it for your boy, but you can never really tell. What if I told you was not really how I felt? Anyway, I'm joking, you know how I felt.